Good morning, students. Today I am going to start chapter 7 of Geography. Chapter name is Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means the water on the earth's surface is known as hydrosphere. Water is a very significant resource of the earth's surface. Means water is very important, a supply of something on our earth's surface. Water is a unique feature of our planet. Unique means one of its type. It means only one. It is essential for human beings, plants, and animals. Can we imagine life without water? It means life without water is not possible. Okay, it is important for all human beings, plant, and animals. In fact, without water, life is not possible at all. Presence of water is a unique feature of our planet, means one of its type, and earth is only one planet where water exists. The area under land and water on this earth's surface is about 29% and 71% respectively. It means 71% of our earth's surface is covered with water and 29% covered with land. This shows the predominance of water. Water is found in ocean, seas, bays, gulfs, lakes, river, etc. These are the medium of the water, and water part of the earth is called hydrosphere. It means the water that are present on our earth surface is known as hydrosphere. Clear? Next is distribution of water. Water is present through lakes, rivers, canals, ice caps, rivers. So the distribution of water is the earth appears blue from the outer space. It means due to the presence of water, the earth is known as a blue planet because of its immense water bodies. And the following table shows the distribution of water on the earth's surface. These are the water bodies. We get the water through these mediums: oceans, ice caps. Ice caps means a layer of ice, especially found in the north pole and the south pole. Groundwater, freshwater lakes, and inland seas. Inland seas means the large water bodies. Salt lakes. Atmosphere means the envelope of air which surrounds the earth is known as atmosphere. Rivers. Okay, these are the water bodies. And the volume of water means the amount of water in percentage. It means the ocean, 97.3% water we get through the oceans. And these are the nature of the water. It means water present on the earth through saline water and the fresh water. Fresh water means we can use for domestic purposes, and saline water means the amount of salt per unit in ocean water is known as saline water. Clear? It means most of the saline water of the world is found in oceans. In the oceans means 97.3% water, saline water, and the largest water body is ocean. And the water contains dissolved minerals, and almost all known minerals are found some extent in seawater, but the most important are sodium and chlorine. The ocean water becomes salty because river and other water bodies and the rocks present on the earth and carry the salt, these rocks, to the sea. It means the water that are present on our earth surface are in two forms. First is salty water and second is fresh water. Okay, fresh water means we can use for domestic purpose and saline water means the salty water. Okay, in which the amount of sodium and chlorine present. Clear?